Have you ever felt like you're just watching others succeed online while you keep scrolling through videos, wondering, how do normal people actually make money in 2025? It's not about luck anymore. It's about knowing where to look. I've spent weeks researching quietly, and I've found something shocking. There are AI websites that are completely under the radar. They're not viral, they're not everywhere on TikTok, and how you can start using them from your home with no special degree, no big investment, and no tech skill. But people who know them are using them every single day to earn solid, reliable income. And the crazy part, 99% of people have absolutely no idea these sites even exist. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how these 5 secret AI websites are making normal people rich in 2025. If you stay until the end, I'll also give you one bonus site that is perfect for passive income, and barely anyone is using it right now. Let's begin. Then they use Katteb to generate well-structured, professional articles in minutes, quickly edit or personalize them, and deliver high-value work. The first AI website on this list is calm, a quiet but powerful AI content writer that's gaining massive momentum with freelancers in 2025. In 2025, creative print-on-demand businesses are exploding, and Leonardo AI is the secret weapon for people with zero design experience. Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but freelancers making the most money are using Katteb, and within seconds, you have a beautiful, unique image ready to be sold, because it creates fact-checked, Google-friendly articles in half the time, especially in niches like technology, finance, and e-commerce. Product descriptions. No big marketing, no paid ads, just smart use of AI-generated designs and trending niches. Here's exactly how people are making money with Katteb. These designs are uploaded to Etsy, Redbubble, or even Amazon KDP, and they earn passive income without spending hours designing manually. They sign up for content writing jobs on Fiverr and Upwork, offering blog writing, product descriptions, or even full website content packages. And because Katteb focuses on factual writing, clients trust the quality more than random AI outputs. People who were writing 1 to 2 blogs per day are now delivering 5 to 7 blogs daily, charging $20 to $50 per article, making $100 to $300 per day consistent. With simple editing, they deliver professional voice content in under an hour, charging $30 to $100 per project. If you've ever wanted to start freelance writing, but felt like it was too slow, Katteb removes that excuse. You can literally start earning in a few days. People are using ElevenLabs to create YouTube video voiceovers, Instagram reels, narrations, and even professional podcast episodes. Now, the second AI website is completely visual. It's called Leonardo AI. Combined with stock footage or simple animations, they create high-value, daily content and monetize via YouTube ads, affiliate links, or product chat. With Canva, they design simple but clean posts and reels, grow their followers, and monetize through brand deals, coaching, affiliate products, and digital downloads. With Leonardo AI, you simply type in a simple prompt like cute cat with sunglasses on the beach. Here's how people are making money silently. They create t-shirt designs, stickers, digital wall art, coloring books, and even children's book illustrations using Leonardo AI. Some people are making $500 to $2,000 a month with just 50 to 100 designs. And since you can generate hundreds of variations fast, you can quickly build your online store, test what works, and scale without needing design courses or expensive software like Photoshop. Moving on to the third AI website, and this one is for the future of voice content. It's called ElevenLabs AI. Others use it to create helpful guides and courses on Gumroad or sell personalized consulting. This is an AI voice generator that sounds shockingly human. Perplexity AI becomes your secret weapon, turning 4-hour research into a 20-minute task. Here's how people are monetizing it quietly. They start faceless YouTube channels with ChatGPT, writing scripts, and ElevenLabs, producing the voiceovers. They spend 30 minutes customizing the text, adding basic SEO, and delivering a clean, modern site without writing any code. Others are offering voiceover services on Fiverr, selling audiobook narration, or creating mini podcast episodes for companies. With smart domain selection and some basic affiliate offers, these sites make passive sales every week. This means you don't need to speak on camera, you don't need expensive microphones. Yet you can produce high-value content fast and build passive income streams. Next is the fourth AI website that's changing the microtask industry, and it's called Mindsome AI. Mindsome is a mental health AI companion, but surprisingly, people have been monetizing it by offering social media, mental health content, daily positive affirmations, and motivational ebooks generated with the help of AI. Here's the play. People are creating Instagram pages that post mental health tips, relationship quotes, and mindfulness guides, all generated via Mindsome and ChatGPT. Others are creating journals and positive affirmation guides and selling them as ebooks on Gumroad or Etsy, making $10, $50 daily without needing to show their face or talk on video. Since mental health awareness is growing globally and people want easy, digestible positivity, this niche has become quietly profitable, especially for people who use AI to produce content faster. You don't need to go viral, you don't need massive audiences, and you don't need complicated skills. The fifth AI website is Perplexity AI, and it's quietly turning beginners into higher. Perplexity AI gives you real, properly cited answers to complex queries, making it perfect for bloggers, video scriptwriters, and affiliate marketers. This is your chance. The tools are out there, mostly free or very affordable, and you can start building real income streams by working smart, not hard. I drop real, no fluff, actionable AI videos to help you succeed in 2025 and beyond. You could be one of them. All you need to do is start. Here's how people are making money with it. They research low competition, affiliate products and niches, use Perplexity to build informational blogs or YouTube video scripts, and monetize with affiliate links. This shows me you're someone who takes action and is serious about growth. I read and reply to every comment. I'll even guide you personally if you have questions. Since Perplexity AI gives updated, trusted data sources, Google often favors these AI-written blogs in search rankings, resulting in faster traffic growth and higher commissions. If you've been struggling to find topics or write faster. Now, as promised, here's a bonus AI website barely anyone talks about, but those who do are making serious passive income. It's called Durable WA, and it's an AI website builder that creates a complete business website in literally 30 seconds. Here's how people are using it. Freelancers are charging $100 to $500 to build simple websites for local businesses, using Durable AI to create the entire site instantly. Others are using Durable to build affiliate websites, review blogs, or service landing pages to collect leads. Durable has AI-generated copywriting, free stock photos, and built-in SEO optimization, meaning you could build your first affiliate site today and possibly earn your first commission this week. So let's quickly summarize the 6 secret AI websites, quietly making people rich in 2025. Katteb for fact-checked freelance writing, Leonardo AI for t-shirts, stickers, and Etsy shops, ElevenLabs for YouTube, audiobooks, and voiceovers, Mindsome for mental health content, journals, and Instagram monetization, Perplexity AI for fast blogging and affiliate marketing, Durable AI for website building, affiliate marketing, and business services. All of these websites have one thing in common. They are quiet earners. What you do need is consistency. The people making money with these AI websites aren't just watching videos. They are testing, experimenting, and taking action daily. So, if you're someone who's been stuck thinking, when will my turn come? And if you've watched this far, I want you to comment AI money below. If you enjoyed this in-depth video, hit the like button to support the channel, subscribe to AI Simplified, and make sure your notifications are on, because every week, remember, the AI wave is just starting, and those who jump early will be ahead of 99% of people still scrolling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.